Hey, thanks for tuning in. Today we'll be changing the screen on a Dell laptop. What we will be needing: one screwdriver, check. One card, so we can squeeze in between the bezel and the screen. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start on this side, squeeze the card in between, if I can pull it apart here. Put the card in there like that. Pry it open like that from the top. Whatever side you can get loose first. Then you just start from that side. Come on it like that. Pull it apart like that. Go around the edges. Lean it back a little. Pull it up like that. Place your bezel on the side. Let's start at the top. On this side right here of the frame, there's a screw. Remove that first screw from the top. Come on the other side. At the top screw. Now that we got all the screws out from the top, pull the screen from the back like that. Be careful when pulling it from the back, because sometimes the wire, depending on the model, connects to the camera up top. So just lean forward like that, slow. Down here at the bottom, there's a piece of tape with your monitor connector cord on it. Just gently pull up on the back part and snap it from the bottom. Like that. Take your old screen, set it to the side. Now take your replacer screen, lay it down like that. Be gentle with it. Take your connector wire, connect it back in from the bottom. Just make sure you line the ports up carefully. Squeeze it back on there. Take your tape part and the wire and gently pry it back onto the adapter. Put your tape down like that. Lean it forward. Set it back in the frame. Now just put your screws back in. Now that you have all your screws back in, bring your bezel back. Make sure you put your wire back in the middle like how when you first took it apart, so that when you put the bezel down, it will miss the wire. Come between it like that. And there you go, your new replacement screen. Don't forget to go down below, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell up here at the top. Drop that comment, and don't forget to hit those likes as well.